Hi there. Today we will talk about VPN in this video. We will find out what is VPN, why we need it, and after that we will review best available option called NORDVPN. Let's dive in. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, a service that protects your internet connection and privacy online. It creates an encrypted tunnel for your data, protects your online identity by hiding your IP address, and allows you to use public Wi-Fi hotspots safely. But the question is, why do we need a VPN? No one likes to be watched or tracked, even if they have nothing to hide. That's why it's important you step up your privacy game. When you're browsing through a VPN, your traffic is encrypted so no one can see what you do online. VPN is used to secure your connection on public Wi-Fi, so you can browse in full privacy. Hackers have many methods to steal your data on public hotspots, but with a VPN your online traffic is invisible to them. In this review, we take a close look at one of the industry leaders in VPNs, NORDVPN. NORDVPN has a lot going for it. The company hails from Panama, for instance, which is outside of any surveillance jurisdictions. We also know that in the past, it's had a reputation for reliability. Let's find out NORDVPN features. It has dozens of available features, but in this video we'll take you through some of its top NORDVPN's features in detail, and let you know why we think it's such a great option. First of all, its servers are available around the globe. With more than 5,200 servers in 60 countries, NORDVPN reassured us that we wouldn't have to look too far for a server to use. To us, that translates to not having to worry about slow internet speeds. You see, the closer we are to a server, the quicker our internet speeds are. So, whether we are home in Brooklyn or globe-trotting with our pals, we knew that we could count on NORDVPN. The second top feature is Secure Internet option. Encryption locks away data about our online activities so that no one, besides authorized users, can see what we're doing online. It's a key feature that has led us to use VPNs, and NORDVPN has impressive standards. Another feature which make NORDVPN unique is double VPN. NORDVPN also employed a double VPN, meaning that our data went through multiple servers to gain multiple layers of encryption. This concept, known as VPN server chaining or multi-hop, enhanced our security so that absolutely no one knew what we were up to. Even if, let's say, a hacker managed to get through one layer of encryption, a second encryption layer would stand as extra protection. Most VPNs only use one server, so we felt good knowing that our data had twice the encryption protecting it before it reached its final destination. Apart from all these best features and services, the main question still remains, which is VPN good for internet? To find out, please stay with me till end of the video and you will have clarification about your question. NORDVPN offers internet protocols. To establish secure connections to its servers, NORDVPN used two internet protocols, IPsec and IKEV2. While IKEV2 helped re-establish our VPN connection if we lost our Wi-Fi, IPsec established encrypted connections among our many devices. These internet protocols were helpful when we switched from Wi-Fi networks to mobile hotspots or used our own data. Another amazing feature which Nord is offering that is 24/7 customer support. NORDVPN offered several options for its customer service, like 24/7 live chat, email support, and an in-depth database of submitted user questions to leaf through. When we wanted to dig into the details on what data the VPN logged, for example, we navigated to NORDVPN's support page. While NORDVPN doesn't provide a phone number in case we wanted to talk to a human, we still had access to plenty of resources on NORDVPN's support page. Now let's find out about pricing. To use it, let's head towards pricing section. For NORDVPN, we found the pricing structure to be pretty straightforward. We got all the same perks with all the options, but pricing varied depending on the lengths of the contracts. NordVPN offers 3 options ranging from 1 month to 2 years. The low commitment, month-to-month option is $11.95. If we signed on for 2 years and spent $79 upfront, that would come to only $3.20 per month. That's pretty affordable, and currently, NordVPN is adding 3 months free with the purchase of a 2-year plan. $99 for 27 months of VPN use comes down to only $3.67 per month. Considering the breadth of features that NordVPN provided, we wouldn't mind being locked into a longer-term contract. Lastly, let's find out answer of our question if VPN are good for internet. Then the answer is NordVPN is a good VPN. Its headquarters is in Panama, which isn't part of any international surveillance alliances. It won't track anything about the user's web activity or IP addresses, encrypting both with ICE-256. NordVPN allows for Netflix and torrenting use, and it has fast speeds on our Mac computer. However, we saw a lot of lag with our Windows Acer Aspire, so NordVPN may be a better option for Mac users over PC users. Hope after this video you have clear concept about VPNs. If you still have any question, please ask me in the comment section and I will answer them all.